Hello friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide, and in today's video I am sharing quick hands-on with Lenovo Yoga Tab 3. Lenovo launched the Yoga Tab 3 in India and they haven't revealed the pricing, but the sales director says that it will be announced by the end of the month. On the specifications front, it features 8-inch HD display. It is the resolution is pretty good and you will not find any problem with the display. And well, the thing which you will note that it comes with a rotating camera. It's a 8 megapixel camera and you can rotate it. You can use it as a back camera or the front facing camera. And it comes with all the 4 modes: the stand mode, hang mode, tilt mode, and hold mode. At the back, it has a sandstone finish and with Lenovo branding, the Yoga branding is there. And the stand is made up of steel. There is a charging port and it's a power on off button. There is a volume button and a slot for charging the device. The display is prone to fingerprints, as you can see that, and you will get the stock Android version with this. And there is a Lenovo Smart Switch by which you can use it and choose which mode you want to use. Tapping on settings button gives you access to all the settings available in the tab. As you can see that it is neatly arranged. It carries the model number YT3850M. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon MSM 8909, and there is no word on the thing is it clocks at 1.3 GHz. It runs on Android version 5.1.1 on top of it, and it has 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB inbuilt memory. Out of 16 GB, only 10.88 GB is available for users while using the tab and running multiple applications. I haven't found any lag issues with it, and it comes with preloaded with certain applications like Share and the other applications are there. It also comes with McAfee security antivirus. By this you can easily protect your tablet from viruses, and clicking on the notification toggle panel gives you access to few settings. As you can see that it has Dolby Atmos enhancement, Dolby Atmos speakers, so you will get a pretty good sound. And it packs 6200 mAh battery, which offers 20 hours uses and 25 days standby time. It is a dual front facing speakers with Dolby Atmos. It has all the connectivity features like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and the other connectivity features. Looking at the price tag, they haven't revealed the price tag, but considering this device, it is pretty good and you can use it the way you like. And by using this tablet, you can use it on the go, and you will not run out of the power plus charge while traveling. And the build quality of the device is pretty good, and the thing which you will like it is the camera of the Lenovo Tab 3. That's all for today. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.